Hello, everybody. This is Strachnyi from DATAcated. I am at Dreamforce 2024 with the one and only Chief Marketing Officer, Ariel Kelman. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me on your program.
Absolutely. It's been such a whirlwind of excitement. I think I've been to Moscone Center before a few times and I've never seen it quite like this. It's like stepping into a whole different realm. So I wanted to start by asking you, what was your favorite moment of this Dreamforce?
Well, I think it's being able to see all the energy of 45,000 people that we have here. We've had millions online, and we spend a lot of time putting together the announcements and all the product and getting it out on the hands of our customers. It's really the most exciting part. Over in Moscone West, we have over 10,000 customers activating their AI agents for the first time. And a lot of technology companies have a lot of smoke and mirrors, but whenever you can have customers get their hands on the technology, get their feedback live, like, you can't beat that.
So Agentforce is a word I've been hearing for a week now. Agentforce, and I love that. Let's start with, how would you define Agentforce for those who haven't heard of it? If they're living under a rock somewhere, they haven't heard of it before.
Okay. What Agentforce is it's a platform for companies to build, manage, and deploy AI agents. So the same agents can be used to help their employees, but also to be directly customer facing. And what's really unique about Agentforce is that it's autonomous and it takes action. A lot of the co-pilots and generative AI that we've been used to, it sort of is passive. It sits there and waits for us to ask a question, and then it gives us an answer. And Agentforce will do that, but what it'll also do is it will proactively offer up information to people. If a customer service rep is talking to a customer, it'll listen and say, you know what, I think I know what they need help with, and give an answer. And if someone's talking as a customer directly to the agent, it can solve their problems by taking action. You think about someone who's trying to process a return. We had Saks just roll out this week return management. So it can go process it for them, not just give them information on the status of an order, but if they want to cancel an order or they want to return a product, they can get that action completed for them really quickly.
And I think that's where the benefits and the power lie in the actual action that the agent can take on behalf of a company.
Yep.
I think it's a very strong positive sign when a company uses its own product. So
Yep.
you're the chief marketing officer of Salesforce. You've got a team that you manage. And it's probably not the easiest. It's a pretty big team, right? It's
Yep.
complicated. What have you done with Agentforce within Salesforce with your?
Yeah. So, we like to say being customer zero, that it's really important. I mean, it's useful for the marketing team because it's a great way to tell stories. But for our development team, I mean, nothing beats getting the feedback, because as we're developing that, I'm giving product suggestions to our heads of engineering and the people working on it. We do that with all of our products. So for this year, we had this great opportunity where the timing lined up that the product was available, even though it was relatively newly made, but we already had a pilot going for about 10 customers. So we added ourselves to the pilot and we said, let's have every attendee at Dreamforce use Agentforce directly in the mobile app so they could get help and get answers about information, their schedules, and anything they need to know about the conference. So it was a really good fit.
It's a really great way to test with 45,000
Yep.
potential users to see if it's working.
Yeah, and it's gone great. We've had over 15,000 messages that have gone out in response to people's questions. And we've gotten some great feedback on product functionality. It's been very positive. It's been great.
Amazing. So I know Agentforce is going to be generally available in October 2024. So coming up
Yep, in a
soon,
month.
in
Yeah.
a month. Yes. So just wanted to ask, for the users who have already tried it, you said the 10 pilots or some early adopters, what sort of feedback did you hear?
Well, we're going to have 10,000 customers that have gone and turned it on for themselves.
So it's
Uh,
not 10, it's
It's going to
10,000.
be 10,000. So we had 10 customers in a pilot before the conference.
Okay.
And so the feedback we're hearing is, I mean, a lot of things. I think the thing people are kind of a little bit shocked about is that it doesn't require a lot of coding, that the same work they've done on our platform, if they've built workflows, if they've built connections to other systems using APIs, if they've built new custom objects to store data, that's all accessible to the agent, just like it's accessible to their human users. And so it leverages everything we've trained people on. They don't need to get new skills to build AI agents. That's what's pretty amazing. That's a little surprising for most people.
Yeah, and actually came through in one of the conversations I had with one of your customers while she was getting the demo. I stopped by after she got her agent, and her main feedback was, wow, I was waiting for the code part to start,
Yeah.
and it never got there. So that was great. Well, Ariel, for those who are interested in learning more about Agentforce, where do you suggest they go?
We go to our website, and then also we have this other site called Trailhead, which is an online learning platform. And so you can go through hands-on labs to actually use the product and go through exercises to get all trained up on your own.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to chat. Again, this is Kate from DATAcated. I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of Dreamforce. Thanks for
Absolutely.
your
Thank
time.
you, Kate. I appreciate it.